Bad characters but good shows. Here are 3 anti-hero shows that you'll absolutely love. Prison Break. Michael's brother has been wrongfully convicted for murder, and throughout the show, Michael is on a mission to help him break out of prison. He does a lot of wrong things. He lies, he manipulates, he uses violence. But before you judge him, ask yourself, how far will you go to protect your family and friends? Regardless of his wrong behaviors, you'll find yourself rooting for him because at the end of the day, he's only doing it for his brother. Barry. हम सबके फ्रेंड ग्रुप्स में कोई एक ऐसा दोस्त होता है जो एक बहुत ही रेड फ्लैग इंसान को डेट कर रहा होता है. अब ये रेड फ्लैग इंसान बार बार कहता है that I will change, but you and I both know that they're not capable of it. इस शो का प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. बैरी वैसे तो एक हिटमैन है, पर एक एक्टिंग क्लास लेने के बाद डिसाइड कर लेता है that he wants to leave behind his old life and start a new life as an actor. I love the confidence that these people have. Now he's trying to change, but my friends, ugly pasts don't leave that fast. Throughout the show, when he makes an attempt to change and become a different person, you will root for him, you will support him, but at the same time, you just know that it's not possible. The Sopranos. Listen, this show worked so that Breaking Bad could run. The protagonist of this show is a mafia boss, जिसकी इस show में तुम्हें 2 different sides देखने को मिलती है. One is where he's extremely manipulative and cunning and violent, and the other is where he goes to therapy and has panic attacks and is regretting things. Now, I personally really like this representation of all the sides of this one person, because usually when you see villains in films and shows, they're represented as these people जिन्हें किसी चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But इस show में you get to see that this guy has consequences of his bad behaviors. This also reveals the insecurities that he has, and of course that's not a justification for any of the wrongdoings, but I think it just adds a layer of relatability. Thus, even though he might be a terrible person, you'll end up developing a soft spot for him. When Dussehra is around the corner, you cannot not talk about anti-hero shows. This was my list. Share your favorites in the comments down below.